Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. You know me for a lot of automation with UiPath. I did a lot of videos with ChatGPT, use cases with ChatGPT and SAP. In the last videos, I showed you how to work with BAPI connector, how to create PO, how to create a dynamical PO. So today I want to show you an example with Autopilot, what Autopilot can do with SAP. So I will go to Autopilot and say, get the list of POs from SAP, yeah? So Autopilot will communicate to SAP. So he will, based on what I write there, he will identify and he will find the process. The process that I recommend is get a list of purchase orders from SAP. After he gave this one it's making an HTTP request connection to SAP, and he will get the data from SAP. So I will get the last 20 orders from SAP. So I will get the numbers for the order. Let's see what are the numbers. These are the numbers from my most 10 he displayed. And I want this stuff. I will say to the autopilot, get details for PO for PO. Okay. So autopilot will go to SAP and autopilot will identify a process that is created in UiPath and put the parameter to this process, and this process will return me the all details from that order from SAP. Everything until now was done via HTTP request from post command that is sending from UiPath to SAP. So everything it's digital data. It's nothing with UI automation or something like this. And you see here very well the data extracted from SAP. And I can show you that inside of SAP I have the same order with in this manage order. I select this order, yeah. Good. Now, and this is the interest. So what I showed you on the last videos with BAPI and so on, I showed you all the stuff are prepared to be able to develop this stuff. So I would say, create me similar order, a similar PO, PO with the last displayed, following these rules, yeah. So let's see what are the rules. The rules are like this: remove TG12 for TG13 will be only 5 items. Add 3 of TG10 on a price of $50 USD and hit enter. So basically I say to autopilot in words what I want to create from a new PO, yeah. So autopilot will analyze the data that he has from the last order, will concatenate everything with the commands I sent, and he command me to add this PO SAP, add the PO in SAP with multiple items. So basically, you will see that the process will be created via BAPI commands, via API that is called from Studio Web. So you see that the process is already running. And if I go now to SAP, you will see that I already have the order created. So this stuff is done in 10 seconds. And you see that I have a new PO order that is 10S68. You can see also in the autopilot that the autopilot knows this PO order and display very well this PO order. So from plain English with a simple instruction, I was able to create a new PO order in SAP very fast. under 10 seconds, and everything is done with commands, with BAPI commands. So take a look here. I have the TG11. I don't have the TG12. I have TG13, only 5 elements, and I have the TG10, 3 elements. So this is the power of AI and BAPI integration, and integration of commands that are working very fast inside of UiPath Studio Web. And I explain all the details of creation of the POs inside of this video. In this one, I just show you the use case, how you are able to use this stuff. As usual, if you like my movies, please come to my YouTube account, like my movies, subscribe to the channel, and tell me what else you want to see on my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye bye.